Alright, y'all, so I am getting pulled over. I don't know what for. Did they call the fire department for real? Swinging through the south side last night, baby. This was. So we're going to officially announce the winner of the AirPod giveaway.
Traction, hey, yeah, they know that we got that action. Always got me sounding like Atlas. Traction, hey, yeah.
What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of I Have No Idea What's Going On With My Life. I'm your host, Damdaved, and today we got some work to do, baby. Roll that intro.
They call me yellow because the paint is banana, the clip is banana, I'm going bananas. Look, boy, you a bitch. Get your funds together. Look at them. Didn't fuck with us when we was down. Now we coming up together. You can stay in the back because all up on track, we running it up together. You said we would flop, now the gang at the top, and we don't give a fuck together.
All right, beautiful people. So before we get into this video, that trailer you guys just saw at the very beginning of this video, that is official traction. It is in my official group, and I'm going to be doing a lot over there. So you guys need to go ahead and go over there and subscribe. It's real important if you guys want to enter future giveaways. Right now, we give away some AirPods. If you're new to this video right now and you're here as it's just not dropping, the video is going to be dropping today at 5 o'clock, which is going to be just in a couple hours from now. But if you're late to this video, that video is already dropped. So go ahead and pause this video, go over there, show the video some love, and go ahead and enter, because the next video, we're going to be doing a giveaway every single video. It could be AirPods, iPhone, PS4, Xbox, whatever. You guys have no idea what's coming to that channel, and it's a lot of fun. So you're definitely not going to want to miss the craziness that's over there, because if you love this channel, you're going to just be amazed with that one. Don't worry, content's not leaving over here. I'm just doing something different. It's going to be a group channel over there, and then my regular content over here. I didn't really have a chance to record any kind of intro or anything like that on this video because, I was just getting stopped and it just happened. But I'll let you guys go ahead and watch this footage right now without any more of my tired talking. And go ahead and, go ahead before you even watch this video, leave a like and leave a subscribe. I've been working really hard for you guys. I've been up late nights, and this stuff is just going to keep going up and up. I appreciate all you guys' support. I hope you guys are appreciating my grind, and let's go ahead and get into the video. I'll see you guys here soon when the next one drops here, either in a day or in the next couple days. All right, y'all, so I am getting pulled over. I don't know what for. We about to find out, y'all.
What do you have all your cameras set up in here for? You doing recording tonight?
Yes, sir. I'm a content creator. Yes, sir.
Okay, what are you recording tonight?
Me getting stopped. Good content.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's your front license plate at?
Actually in my glove box. I just had my front bumper replaced, and I haven't had a chance to get it mounted yet. Okay, but I do have it with me.
Okay, you need to get that taken care of. Have you seen the warning for that front license plate yet?
No, I have not received a warning. No. I don't believe so. No, I just got it replaced just now.
I'm gonna take on that. Right now, speak a couple warnings. Okay, give me just a minute. I'll be right back.
Okay, no problem. So, he said I was speeding, which I really wasn't speeding. I mean, the speed limit's 65, but I mean, Houston, you know what I'm saying? We go like 70 around here, so it really wasn't much. And also about my front license plate, so I'm just gonna set this back up, but I had my camera facing the wrong way. I thought he was gonna come up over here, but whatever, let's fix it up.
Alright, so I say there's a couple warnings. There's no fines, no fees, no penalties, okay? Just get it taken care of, the front license plate, okay? What was the use of equipment not approved that you got stopped for back in February by True?
Use of equipment?
You got you for red light to the front, and then use of equipment not approved. I mean, it's not gonna change anything today.
Oh, it was it was a license plate cover that I had. Okay. It was like dark shadow kinda. I bought it from like AutoZone. It kind of darked out your plate. They said it was obstruction, so like I just took it off. You can see my plate.
Yeah, I'm just curious. Where'd you have the red light to the front at?
I have custom LEDs. I got at the time I got stopped. I had custom LEDs just done, so it's a Bluetooth app. But I didn't turn it off, or either that they came on and I wasn't knowing how to work it properly. So I was driving around with red lights on. I didn't know. So she stopped me, and I was like, I don't, sorry, like it's all new to me. Yeah. So.
Be safe tonight. The rest of your home, right?
Absolutely. Appreciate you. So let me tell y'all something real quick. I don't know how good that angle was because I wasn't recording the whole thing at first, and I didn't think that, like I had my camera on and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and start so I can get out of here. So look, I wasn't really doing much wrong, okay? I was going 5 miles over the speed limit. Is he stopping me again? Oh, I'm gonna need that. Thank you, sir. He just gave me my ID back. So, anyway. All right. So look, this guy, you guys just saved me because he asked me a little bit about my camera setup and what I was doing here. I told him that I was a content creator, and I told him that I was making videos. And when he asked me if I was recording, I really wasn't yet. And I said yes. So his demeanor changed 100%. It was like, hey, blah, 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 like, do you realize this and that? I'm like, oh, okay. When I told him I had a camera and I told him I was recording, nicest guy on the planet. I don't know if it was just because he didn't know what to think of me at first, or because unless he's seen a camera, things were gonna be different. But I knew he was gonna stop me. I seen him coming up, and I was just like, wow, bro, like, yeah, I think you guys really saved my life. Like, I mean, I don't like cops. I'm just gonna get it straight out there. Like, I'm sorry if you're an officer of the law. I've had too many bad experiences, and I know it's you know, like, well, it's not the police, they're just doing their job. Like, yeah, I get it, bro, but police are dangerous. Like, if you don't like my opinion on that, then I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? I know they're not as dangerous to me because, you know, I'm a white male and that's just the way it is, sadly. But at the same time, I am, I guess what you would consider a young adult. I'm 21 years old and I am a target by law enforcement. So every time that I get stopped over, it's like, if I don't have a camera, which I never usually do, it usually ends pretty badly for me. He gave me a warning right now for no front plate. That's only because I told him I just got my bumper replaced. You know what I'm saying? By the way, you know, that if you use that excuse, you're welcome. You know, you can thank your boy later. I don't want no credit. Just give me that subscribe. But point is, I think things would have gone very differently just now if I hadn't said that, hey, I'm recording and I have a camera. Dude, that was insane. Like, okay, so I'm getting stopped. I thought I hit record on my camera. I wasn't recording. Guy comes up, talks to me a little bit. I think I recorded a little bit of it, but I think I turned it off like an idiot because I was trying to adjust the focus. And he was like, oh, well, blah, blah, blah. Like, he was just, I don't know, the attitude wasn't the same. And then when he was like, well, let me ask you a question. What's all this camera equipment here? I sure do, boy. I got my Instagram, I got my YouTube all over my car. You know damn sure he's probably gonna watch this video if he goes to my YouTube channel right now. I'm not saying anything other than I don't think it would have gone the same had I not had a lens right here. And I wasn't even recording this content, like I wasn't even planning to record it. I was going home. I've been working on a lot of other projects. As you saw in the very beginning of this video, I posted the new Traction channel trailer. It's just the trailer for the first video. It's not our official trailer or anything like that. I'm gonna be over there a lot, okay? This is gonna be a big deal. You don't want to miss all the content coming. You want to be there from the start. We're doing giveaways every single video. AirPods, PS4s, PS5s when they come out, Xboxes, iPhones, you name it. So if you don't want to miss out, go follow our official Traction Instagram page. All my links are always down in the description. You can find the Traction YouTube right at the very top of my YouTube channel, and also this video right here. When you click the very top link, it's going to take you straight to the Traction YouTube. Be sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss giveaway winners, and be sure you're getting in on those giveaways because you're not going to miss it. We're going to do, you know, plenty of stuff. So anyway, yeah, I was going 5 miles over the speed limit and I was having a little trouble staying in my lane. Not gonna lie, I was listening to Summertime by Zero and Slim Thug, and you know, never have I swung this wide. Shout out to my friend Country Boy Earl. He got that song stuck in my head. You'll see why in a little bit once we drop the first traction video. But yeah, man, I was swinging wide, Houston, swinging and banging a little bit. I was turned up, listening to the radio. I wasn't that much. Maybe I was touching the lines on either side, not getting crazy. 5 miles over, and he pulls me over and he wants to get like kind of crazy with me. And why you got all this camera equipment? Because yo ass is on camera. Even though I didn't have him on camera initially, this lens is security. Remember, I mean, it's not gonna stop all police. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna stop everything, but in some cases it helps. I'm thankful for my video equipment. I'm thankful for this camera, 1,000,000%, because I got a warning. I feel like I never get a warning, just so you know. I don't get a warning for shit. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my misfortune. I got stopped. But quick video, little update video. I am going to be putting a lot of content. I know I took a little gap right here, but I've been working on a lot of traction stuff. So if you don't want to miss the latest and greatest from me, be sure to go over there for one last time. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel. It's crazy. We're about to hit 5K subscribers. We're damn close. The last video, the CarMax video, did great. And the video before that, if you haven't gone to see that craziness, go check it out. It's crazy because I was just talking about police. But as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button. If you want to stick around the next crazy ass one, be sure to hit that red rectangle. And if you thought this content was sexy, be sure to drop that eggplant down in the comments. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. I love y'all. Peace.